Hello kids! Today we know about the colors. Primary colors. Red, blue, yellow, red. Tomato. The color of tomato is red. Blue. Sky. The color of sky is blue. Yellow. Banana. The color of banana is yellow. Next. Mixed colors. Purple. The mixture of red and blue color gives purple color. Purple. Grapes. The color of grapes is purple. Orange. The mixture of red and yellow color gives orange color. Orange color. Oranges. The color of oranges are orange. Green. The mixture of blue and yellow color gives green color. Green. Guava. The color of guava is green. Next. Rainbow. The rainbow shows 7 beautiful colors. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Once again tell with me. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.